Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to break line or how to go to the next line on your cell. For example, to do this, uh, what I mean is to have something like that. To do so, open your spreadsheet and follow this simple step. To have a line break, all you have is to write your word, your first word, or anything, the text that you want. And whenever you want to go to the next line, all you have is to type or to click on the Alt button on your keyboard and press enter. And as you can see, as many as I click enter, it will break a line. Let's just do it like that. And that's it. There is another way by using a function. For example, let's just do write type hello world in one line. Now I will use the function substitute. To initiate a function, I will use the equal sign or equal operator, and I will search for the substitute function. And here I want the text that I want to have the line break in, and then I will go for the comma because this is the text that I am searching. And here I wanted to search the separator or the character that it will be recognized or that will be uh, replaced with the char or the line break. Here I have a space, so I will just add a space. This is my character, which is space now, and I will go for separator, and I will just replace it with the char 10. The char 10 is the character or the number of the line break. So now I will close my formula and I will click OK. And as you can see, now I have a line break here that is applied between the space or that was replaced the space with. So those are the methods to go to the next line or to break line on Google Sheets. Thank you for watching and goodbye.